Vendor lock-in is the oldest failure mode in enterprise software. It is also the oldest trick in the enterprise software salesperson's book. And right now, we're all making this mistake again, but only this time with artificial intelligence. If your app connects directly to OpenAI or Anthropic, and most of them do, you haven't just made a technical decision, you've made a business decision as well. Now, one outage or pricing revisions, okay, maybe you can live with them. But what about a policy change in the United States government? This week, the US government issued an export control directive. Therefore, Anthropic's two most advanced models, Fable 5 and Mythos 5, were pulled offline entirely. This wasn't a technical failure, it was a policy decision. So not only are you at the mercy of the whims of your providers, you're now at the mercy of the whims of the US government. The fix is, of course, architectural, and this is what we've been talking about all at the back end of last week and most of this week. What advice have we got? Obviously, well, I say obviously, it wasn't obvious to me, it's obvious to our engineers. Number one, don't connect your application to a model. Connect it instead to an abstraction layer. LangChain is, according to my colleague Onsul, the most obvious example. The app talks to the bridge, and the bridge talks to whatever model you're running. What does this mean? Well, if you want to go from OpenAI to Mistral, for example, in the next quarter, you change your configuration, not your code base. This is not dissimilar to, in object-oriented programming, using interfaces between components that you buy, or in cloud strategy, having an exit strategy so you can go from one cloud provider to the next. Now, the second thing is we don't have a favorite model. We don't say to our clients, you should use this model. The right choice depends entirely on what they're building. And so just like in the older days, we used to do these cloud native assessments, we also now do model assessments. The third point, though, related to this is that for the most complex tasks, we cannot yet go around the most complex models, ChatGPT and Claude. And so we still need to accept that reality. And so in a way then, our advice from Container Solutions to you lot comes in 4 little convenient bullet points. Number 1, use an abstraction layer. Number 2, don't connect directly to a model. Number 3, pick the right model for the job. There is no universal answer to this. There is no perfect cloud out there. There is a perfect cloud for you. It's the same for these models. There will be a model that suits your task. And number 4, for now, we have to accept, only for now, that for complex work, the frontier models are still required. We cannot afford to pretend otherwise. The goal was never to avoid them, but the goal is to make sure that these companies don't hold you hostage. And if you need to, you've got a plan and a set of tools and a set of capabilities to exit.